All right, today's November 14th. It has been a couple weeks, actually longer than that. It's been a long while since I've worked on the car. So today I am going through the car after the sandblasting and getting rid of all the media material, all the sand and plastics and things like that got inside all the nooks and crannies. That way when it gets painted, it doesn't get kicked up in dust and ruin the paint. Just so I know how much I got taken out, so I cleaned out the vacuum, emptied this out, cleaned the filter out, so I can get an assess of how much material I actually removed. So I got some hoses and stuff, so I can get inside, go inside the firewall, and I can get inside the clean out the rocker panel, then inside the nooks and crannies, and I'm going to get blower to see if I can get stuff out of the roof and just get it everywhere, and go from there. And that is it. So just a quick update. I always saw all the videos of all the weld spots, but I'll get more detail on that in other videos when I do all my seam sealing. And that's it. So I'm going to work on that and then show a video and pics later when I'm done.